An alley crumbling to the point that people are concerned it's going to collapse.
When their concerns couldn't get action from City Hall, they called our Ronnie Dahl, and she joined us live in Greektown now with a look at the problem. Ronnie, hello.
Well, I'll tell you what, this stuff drives me crazy. It's absurd. Go ahead and look at what we're talking about. Hole after hole in this alleyway. Some parts so deep you can see the roadway underneath. That's brick. This hole now filling up with debris. There's a cone in there and buckets they were using for the bathroom yesterday. People are really worried if this doesn't get repaired correctly, this entire roadway will give way.
Wow, that's a big hole. Who's fixing it?
Well, so far, nobody, and with each passing day, the ground gives way and the hole gets bigger. It's so big it ate the cone.
Wow, that's terrible.
And other holes appear.
Now, what if someone's walking past and don't see that, don't notice that's there? They could really hurt themselves.
I know, you could fall in there, couldn't you?
Yeah.
This is a busy alleyway behind the Second Baptist Church and Firebird Tavern. One hole turned into two, two into three, now 3 into 4. Holes big enough to swallow people. Anyone in there?
We spending all the money on taxes and we're not seeing where it's going. Get it fixed now.
So that's right, let's get this fixed now, because this hole here is not only disgusting after we're told they were using it for a bathroom yesterday during opening day, it's also downright dangerous. So how long people say this has been going on, the city's fix up until I got involved, and what's been happening late today. That's coming up on Action News at 5. For now, we're live in Greektown. Back to you.